Hi friends, welcome back to my channel, The World of Awareness. Today I wanted to give you 5 tips to be happy, and that also in 5 minutes. And these 5 magical minutes in your day can completely change your life. Ideally, do this exercise in the evening. It will leave you feeling really relaxed and ready for a restful sleep, waking focused, and make you ready for the day ahead. You could even practice these 5 happiness habits at any time of the day that works for you and for as long as you want. See, whatever time you practice this, make sure that this become a ritual, and then be ready to experience the magical transformation in your life. The first tip, in first minute, you just breathe. Because breathing connects us to the wonderful bodies of ours. It grounds us, it releases tension, and it relaxes your body and mind. It keeps us alive. And as you inhale, try visualizing in peaceful energy. And as you exhale, imagine you breathe out love. Don't just breathe it, but really feel it. And in second minute, give thanks. It's very, very important because we spend most of our days, we spend most of our lives in haste and mostly unaware of all the wonders and beauty around us. So when we become grateful, the universe will respond. The universe will respond in kind. The God will be more kind towards you, and you will receive more gift. So practice the attitude of gratitude. There is a well famous quote: the attitude of gratitude will define your altitude of success. And in third minute, you can visualize tomorrow. It's really, really important because it's so easy to caught up in your head worrying about tomorrow, and often you think about the things which you don't have any control over. This exercise creates a positive intention for you for your next day. It's especially useful for you if you find difficult to shift your mind from unwanted thoughts. And the fourth minute, let go. Dear friends, it's very, very important because if you're not spending our time worrying about tomorrow, I'm sure we are usually fretting about yesterday. See, all the things that we think about all the things that went wrong, or the people that annoyed us, the things we wished we would have done. This kind of thoughts will never give you good, but only distract you from being happy right now. And in minute 5, give love. It's very, very important because the person who most need our love and kindness is the one we most easily forget. Who is that person? It's you. So give yourself love every single day, and you will notice the true difference in how you really feel in deep inside. All of you remember the saying, loving yourself is the beginning of a lifelong romance. So try to practice this 5 exercises in every day. Invest at least 5 minutes. If you want to take more time, it's well and good, but at least 5 minutes you spend. I'm sure you can see some magical changes in your life. So see you next day with another topic. Bye.